Hello, my dear students. You are most welcome in our video session, and you are watching KP Public School. This is our session 10 of class 9th, and the topic is page formatting. First of all, understand managing page style. And style is predefined combination of font styles, color, size of text that can be applied to the selected text. And Microsoft Word provides the large collection of styles that allow you to quickly improve the appearance of your documents. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टाइल्स आपके पिक्चर फिगर्स में दिख रही है. मैं आपको एज अ प्रैक्टिकली यहाँ पे सब कुछ एक्सप्लोर करने वाला हूँ स्टेप बाय स्टेप. So how you can just select the styles exactly? So here selecting styles, you have to go to the home tab over the styles group, and here's the more options are there. You can select which one you like to. Okay, and applying the applying a style set. So style set allow you to format all the elements of your documents at once, and it is a combination of title, headlines, and paragraph styles. Again, you have to go to the home tab, change style, and here the styles group. And style sets are there, which is already you can see in your picture, in picture 10C here. And here three options are there by which you can go through the select your styles of formatting, and just move on next. Modify the styles. Exactly how you can just modify your styles. Suppose that you have selected a particular styles, you want to modify something inside in it, so how you can just do it? So select the styles you want to change from your style group, which particular style you want to change, and just right click on selected, and drop down menu appears here, and select the modify options are there, and dialogs box will appear in which you can select the font style, font size, italic, bold, underline, color, size, and here the line paragraph formations are there. What kind of changes you want to, you can just do by using the modify options style. Okay, and here's the creating new style. Suppose that you want to just create your own styles according to new font style, new font size, new formations, new formatting. So here you have to go to the this particular icon in style group, and a task panel will appear at front of you, and select the new style button, and in dialog box you have to select your own choices, which is you have given just your style name, paragraph styles, and all the internal attributes you have selected from there, which is already appearing in figure 10F and 10G. You can go through by all these steps and options. And here's the last option of this particular page 67 is the borders and shading. You can add the border and shading to your paragraphs, table, pictures, or images. So exactly you can give a border of your entire page, and shading means filling inside the contours of the selections. So exactly how you can just select your border and shading, we are just showing in next page. So here's the next options are there. First of all, using paragraph group here, and border in blue, what kind of things you want to, you can select from the paragraph groups. So select you want to just order border for, and click on the home tab, and here's the border options are there from the paragraph group. So exactly how you can just do all the things as a practically. So I'm just going to open my Word option here, the Microsoft Word, just click on that. So I'm just going to set a particular definitions, like my computer. What is personal computer? Okay, so this is my question. Answer is that a personal computer is a computing device that is made up of many distinct electronic components and that all functions together in order to accomplish some useful task. Okay, order to accomplish some useful task. So here's our paragraph, and if you are just select different types of styles, so you have just select all the content, and here the options are there, what kind of options you want to, here, just like that. And there are many more different options are there. What kind of options you like to, you can choose from style group. Okay, here options are there. If you want just modify any particular style, just click on right, and here's the modify options are there, so just click on that. Here you can change the name as per you want, and the styles are there just like that. Here's the font formattings, what kind of font style you want to, how much size you want to, bold, italic, underline, which type of color you want to, and you can just change everything from this particular modify menu. And if you want just select your own, if you want just create your own, so just click on that. Here's the options are there, and there are many more options are there, you can just go through by, and you can just create your own particular style exactly. Okay, so what is next option, my dear students? So here you have just border filling, and all the options are there, how you can just do all the things. So in this we have to go to this particular option, border, bottom border, and there are many more different options are there. By using go through the, you can select the border like that, and here select the content, like select the content, suppose that here select the content and just click on that, and you can select the border such like that. Okay, so in the border, if you want just fill the color options are there, you can just select the color borders, and there are many more different options are there, you can go through by use all these menus and sub menus. So my dear students, in this we have to learn all the concepts, and here's the page margins are there. So in page margins you can select the exactly how much margins you want to in your pages exactly. So paragraphs and page margins, so here you have to go to page layout. The page margin refers to the blank space around the edge of the pages, and the space seen on all the four sides of the pages is called a top margin, bottom margin, left margin, and right margin. And all the text and images are inserted inside the margins. Okay, you can insert any particular text or image inside this particular margin which is you have just selected. So where we have to go to exactly, set the page margin. Here you have just click on the page layout tab. In page layout tab, so here's the page layout options are there, and here's the margins, you can select what kind of margins you want to exactly. So top and left, bottom and right, top 1 inch left, bottom 1 inch left, and right 1 inch left, and right 1 inch right and left. So here's the ratios are there exactly, कितना margin यहाँ पे by default select होने वाला है और किस तरीके का आप pages select करने वाले हैं, you can select from the page margins exactly. Okay, so what is next option, my dear students? Page background. how you can select the color of page backgrounds. So page background, here's the page colors, which type of color you want to, you can select from here. Suppose that I am going to set the yellow page, so the overall page is going to be yellow, and on that what kind of font color you want to, you can select from font colors exactly. Okay, so by using all these options, we can just make our document very attractive and very useful sometime. And here using image and background, if you want to just select any particular image in background, so here you have to go to the page layout, page color, page background. In page color option, having a page background, click on that, and here's the more colors, more effects, and according to this you can, here you can select the watermark, exactly which type of watermark you want to, and custom watermark if you want to. So here you have just click on that exactly. So pictures watermark, what kind of watermark you want to, exactly you can select from there. Suppose that I'm just selecting these things and apply, then you will find that inside the whole page have a particular watermarks already separated here. And according to this you can just separate the watermark or internal inside of the picture backgrounds already you can set up from there. Okay, so here you have to go to the click effect. So just use the fill effects. In effects, having a picture options are there, and select pictures, which particular picture you want to apply. Suppose this particular picture I want to just apply in my picture background. So as you can see that the page overall page color having a particular picture background exactly. Okay, so according to this you can select these particular options. And what is the last one is here is your self assessment, which is we have just do now. And here the multiple choice questions are there. In which of the following table can you find the style group? Style groups having a home tab exactly. Style group having home tab. Click on home, and here's the style group. Okay, so the right answer is what? Home. And style set allow you to format all the elements of your document at once. स्टाइल सेट्स अलाउ आपके किसी पर्टिकुलर डॉक्यूमेंट्स को एट वंस वो एलिमेंट्स अप्लाई करके आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स को फॉर्मेट करते हैं, मीन्स अट्रैक्टिव मोड में ले जाते हैं. एंड क्लिक बॉर्डर फ्रॉम द वेयर, क्लिक बॉर्डर फ्रॉम द, if you want to select border options, so here you where paragraph having a border options. So here's the right answer is paragraph. And border can be applied to the entire what border, entire page. Here's the entire page. Okay, so which of the following group gives you the option to set the page margins? Exactly where? So page layout, here's the page setup. What? Page margins having a page setup group. So here you have just given the answers about all these questions. Define style in the context of MS Word. So what is the style? So here you have to go through by this particular answer. Style is predefined combination of font style, color, size, text that can be applied to the selected text. So Microsoft Word provides the large collection of styles that allow you to quickly improve the appearance of your document. So this is the right answer. Okay, so I'm just again moving on the next question. So next question is what? Write the step to select the style. Write the step to select the style, and write the step to apply the style. How you can select the style and how you can apply the style. Okay, so selecting style, here how you can this particular option. So here you have to go through the selecting a style, and here is 4 options are there, which is right answer of your question. Selecting style, and here's the applying style, having already 3 options are there, or 3 options or 4 options are there, which is the right answer of your applying the style set. So the applying the style sets. So okay, so the right answer, selecting style, answer is here, and applying style, answer is here. Okay, you have to go through the your book concepts exactly. So here the last answer, write the step to add the border and shading to the text in a document. So how you can just apply the border and shading. Okay, so here's the our next option, border and shading, how you can just apply the border and shading. So next option, okay, using the border and shading dialog box. So basically this is the right answer of your this particular last questions, exactly how you can use the border and shading according to dialog boxes are there. So this is the right answer, my dear students. So in this basically we have just done our all the self-assessment with the session 10. So we will just meet in next session, my dear students. So till then, thank